How to read candlestick chart patterns. In this video, How to read candlestick chart patterns, I'll explain two of the basic overall patterns I use and how I trade them. Welcome to the channel. Now let's get started. There are many candlestick patterns, but I only ever use two of them. Unlike other chart types, it's easy to spot these patterns when using candlesticks. I'm not going to go over what candlesticks are. If you want to see a video on that, please let me know in the comments. The most useful part of candlesticks is the patterns they form. These patterns can offer valuable insights. For example, if the price of the asset is going to reverse or continue in the same trend. Traders find these patterns in single or multiple candle formations. I tend to stick with only the multiple candle formations, as I think it's more reliable. So here's what I'm looking for. The first is the inside bar or candle. This is a candle within a candle. This can signify reversals or continuations. The key point is context. You can't just trade the pattern on its own, although I know many that do. Consider the overall market. Is it at a key level? Is the trend up or down? Is it happening at a specific time of day? Here's an example of copper. In this example, see how the market moves after the inside bar or candle is developed. I've combined the key level with the candlestick pattern. In this case, it's around 50% of the price leg or range. This is also referred to as the equilibrium. The second example is the engulfing candle. This is a candle that engulfs another candle. This generally signifies possible reversals. As I mentioned before, you don't want to just trade it without any context. Here's a gold example. In this example, see how the market moved after the engulfing candle developed. You can also see this is happening around a key level. Context is everything when trading using candlestick patterns. They are very powerful on their own, but when combined with other forms of analysis, they can be explosive. I have used key levels in these examples, but there are other combinations you can use. What I love about candlesticks is the simplicity. If you would like me to talk more about candlestick chart patterns and how to use them, let me know in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.